Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make 4 different candy bowls. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. We're happy toy time, and if you haven't subscribed already, make sure that you do that. You will be automatically entered into our giveaway. Once we reach 200,000 subscribers, we will be giving away a Nintendo Switch. So you guys, candy bowls can be really hot when you melt the candy, so make sure that you guys have a microwavable dish. I'm obviously starting with Jolly Rancher. When you fill up your water balloon, make sure that you decide what sort of size you want before you do that. And the most important thing is to make sure that you have eliminated any sort of air bubbles before you tie that knot. This is extremely hot candy. I like to stir the Jolly Rancher so that there's no bubbles, so that when you pour it on your balloon, it has a nice clear texture to it. If you've checked out any of my other videos, you will see that I love Jolly Ranchers, but you of course can make your own hard candy, and that is something that I hope to do sometime soon. But this is just so easy, it tastes delicious, and of course Jolly Rancher has many different flavors. So I just think this is the coolest thing ever, watching the candy drizzle down the balloon. I did wait a little bit, I cooled off my candy a little bit, so you'll see it starts hardening on the balloon. There's different ways of doing this. You can pour it on when it's still warmer than what this was, and it'll drizzle down and make this really cool sort of like dripping effect. So that's option 2 as well. I will be doing another Jolly Rancher, and I'm going to show you a different design for that. But I think this is pretty cool for my first time making a Jolly Rancher candy bowl. This next one, I'm going to be sort of seeing if I can combine 2 colors to make sort of an aqua color. So I have my balloon, again, making sure that there's no air bubbles just in case so it doesn't pop. So heating up the green candy, I'm going to start off with that, and then I'm going to pour the blue stuff over. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure that you do that right away, and of course the notification button for our future videos. So again, this is pretty amazing watching the candy drizzle down. Of course it looks amazing, but remember it's extremely hot, so you do not want to touch this, and if you need adult supervision, make sure that you guys have that handy. Wait till the green has hardened, and then you can pour on your second coat. Now this wasn't really what I thought it would be like. It still kind of looks blue to me. I thought the color would be a bit more intense in regards to the turquoise. And you'll see I start drizzling around the other side just to add more texture, and I kind of wish I did this right away. So instead of just pouring it flat on like that, I wish I did these sort of squiggly lines right away, and I think that would have been an extremely cool bowl. And I think also even just not even pouring the green on, you could even just do crazy squiggly lines throughout the whole thing, which would also create a very cool bowl. And maybe I'll make a video just about different patterns and textures you can do for candy bowls. My second favorite candy is Starburst. Make sure that you guys check out all of our videos in regarding Starburst. We have so many options that you can do with this candy. I decided to make this bowl a little bit bigger because I wanted to use a lot of Starburst, and I wanted to see if I can make sort of a marble effect. The key water just went flying everywhere, which I thought was so cool. Again, making sure that you're really careful when you pull off the balloon, not to get the balloon stuck to your candy, or of course, wreck your candy bowl. So what do you guys think of this one, the Starburst Marble Bowl? I feel like this is sort of like a abstract art sort of deal. You could like, I don't know, it looks like someone made it out of glass. It's pretty awesome. So this one I was curious about. This is the second Jolly Rancher bowl I made. Again, wishing that I did more of a crazy texture right from the beginning. So I'll have to keep that in mind for next time. But it still looks really cool. And because there's little teeny tiny pieces of candy, you want to make sure that you're really careful if you were to do something like this, because those can easily snap off and you don't want to ruin your bowl. Well, what do you guys think about this one? I think this is my favorite. It ended up being pretty awesome. I wasn't really sure when I was making it, but it looks really cool when the balloon is out and you're holding it like a bowl. I think that's pretty neat stuff. And finally, the chocolate bowl. You can see that I went a little bit crazy with the chocolate, but also in some spots it didn't, like right there you can see it didn't even get down. So I think I could have done a better job of making it more equal around, but either way, I'm still excited to see what this looks like. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. Please let me know which is your favorite candy bowl. They were all so easy and fun to make, but of course be careful because this candy is very hot when melted. Make sure that you subscribe. You will be entered to win the Nintendo Switch that we would love to give away sooner than later. This is awesome with ice cream, so if you try it, let me know because it's so great.